In this video, I will review how to use parameters when running an RMM script. Using parameters when running an RMM script is useful so that a technician can enter data in the parameter that will be used by the script when it runs. In this example, I want to use a parameter to pass the software key to the script to be used whilst installing an application. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will create a script with a parameter for the software key, and then populate that parameter when scheduling the script to run on a device. In the left navigation, I select Automation, Tasks. To begin creating my new script, I click Add, Script Editor. I enter the name of the script, give it a description, then select the appropriate category. I click Add Parameter at the top. I type software key in the parameter name field. I have combined the words software and key because the parameter name field does not allow spaces. I click to make this a required field because I do not want a technician to try to install the application without providing a valid software key. I select text string in the parameter type dropdown and click Save to save this function. I navigate to the Script Editor tab and type Application in the Function Search field. I select Create Own Application Updated from the list of available application functions. I leave Installer selected as the type of installer at the top, as I want this function to install the manufacturer's utility application. In the Download Details section, I select HTTPS in the location dropdown. I enter the URL in the HTTPS field. In the Application Details section, I select MSI package. In the Package EXE name field, I enter the name of the MSI package. For the purposes of this example, I say that this application allows the software key to be passed as an installation parameter. By putting @software_key@ in this field, it will grab what was entered by the technician in the software key parameter at the time the script was scheduled and pass it to the script at this place in the field within the script function. I leave the execute mode set to install. I click Save to save this function. I click Add Row. I click in the Search function box and select Script Log. In the Script Log message field, I type, "This is the software key that was provided by the technician at the time the script was scheduled. @software_key@." I click Save to save this function. I click Save in the upper left to save the script. Back in the Tasks list, I click on the row for the newly created script and click Schedule in the upper right. The asterisk next to the software key parameter indicates that it's a required field, and I populate it. Next, I click the Run Now Radio button on the top right. I expand the site and select the device on which to run the script. I click Run in the upper left to run the script now. I have reviewed how to use a parameter when running an RMM script. For more information, please click Resources, Documentation on any RMM screen to access documentation.